Welcome back to ACH Iron and Wood Projects. Today is a quiet day, so I came out the shed to do some machining. I am machining up some packing material out of 25 by 10s and just ordinary sort. When you go drilling or packing something in the mill or something like that, I'm always looking for bits and pieces, but these will be dedicated pieces. What I'm using is my little mill from miniTECH, an S3 or X3, sorry, milling machine. It's only a little one, but it does the job for me. So when I, due course, expand the shed to that stage 2 I've been talking about, I will be getting a bigger one, probably one from here in Forbes, thereabouts, somewhere in the track. So this is what I'm doing. It's a bit noisy, so I'll just turn it on and I'll show you what I'm doing. Put the shield back on. And we're at a fault already. Here we go, here we go. Just drop it down a couple of thou. There we go. Well, there it is. I'm making all different lengths and sizes. So I pack things in and tie things down. It's a little something I'd like to do. It's just easy to find those packings when you need them in a dedicated pigeonhole. So I'll get back to you later on. Catch you later. Thank you for watching.